Hey everyone, it's Alan Shimel of DevOps.com and DevOps TV, and we're here at IBM Think 2018 Las Vegas, and have with me a guest right now,
Sudhakar Chellam.
Sudhakar Chellam, and I messed up after saying it 3 times off mic. Go figure. Why don't you say it again for our audience, though?
Sudhakar Chellam.
Sudhakar, welcome.
Thank you.
So, Sudhakar, why don't you share, I know you're an IBMer, but why don't you share with our audience what your role is?
I'm the lead architect for the cloud event management solutions. Basically, my focus is on helping the DevOps team to handle problems when it rises, and we deliver the tools in the cloud and also on-prem to help with the DevOps teams.
And that's an important part of this messaging that we've seen at Think this year, right? Is the whether we're talking about the cloud private or hybrid cloud, mainframe cloud, type of integrations. IBM's message seems to be that whether you are on the IBM cloud or another cloud, right? Or on-prem, or both, which is more than often the case. You guys are there to help.
Yes, absolutely. So basically, we are focused on managing multi-cloud environment, right?
Yep.
The idea here is, right now, what we are seeing in the DevOps team is they start with simple monitoring and then notifications, and they're overwhelmed. But I think we need to bring in the rigor of the centralized IT operations team back into the DevOps teams. Is just need to focus on multi-cloud, right? So, for example, you might be deploying microservices in your private cloud, and you might be accessing some public cloud like the OpenWhisk, and also most of the big customers, they are going to have the data on-prem. And you need to be able to have the view of this dynamic nature of the environment, try to understand where the problem is. You need to be able to apply the predictive analytics and so on and so forth to understand where, like, the anomalies instead of waiting for the problems to happen. And not only that, you need to be able to resolve the problems much faster than we don't have time to go and sit and write the comments, so you need to have a lot of automations and reduction of noise. So
agreed. Agreed with that. And this is, obviously this is the first year for Think. We've had Interconnect, we've had other conferences, but Think is really kind of put this all together, really put the spotlight on this multi-cloud, multi-home, whether you're using a Kubernetes infrastructure or Z system, or Kubernetes on Z system, or whatever, right? We can make it work. And actually, the last fellow who was here we were talking to was from SkyTap, a big IBM partner. And this is exactly the kind of thing they were saying that they're seeing, which is, at least for the foreseeable future, for a 5-year horizon, because who could see really, beyond that this is what the world looks like. The world is not all public cloud. Everyone, as much as we may think it, because we live in a tech bubble, it's not. It
is not going to be like a lot of customers that we work with, the financial institutions and the big telco providers, right? They are always thinking about hybrid cloud. Basically, what they're saying is the systems of engagement, where they say, okay, so simple online entry application might be in the public cloud, but the data or the way they process those things is going to be in the on-prem and private cloud. And that's what
it away.
That's what we are focused on.
So let me ask you a question. We're here now. I think this is day 3 for Think. What for you has been the highlight?
My highlight is basically, good question. And there are too many highlights. I'm trying to find what the right thing to do.
Give me 2 or 3 then.
My biggest highlight is actually Cloud's session yesterday, where he was talking about how our tools is helping his organization, and the thing is, it makes me proud and take pride in,
Yeah, sure.
in my team in delivering those capabilities. So I would say that is
So
the
hearing
highlight
from real
of-
customers who
Yeah,
are actually
exactly.
using the tools
Yeah.
that you've helped architect and deploy out there, and it's making a difference,
Yes.
right? And that, I mean, when you think about it, that's, we all want that, right? We
Yeah.
all want to make a
Yeah.
difference,
Yeah.
and so that's great. For people who are maybe watching who weren't able to come to Think, maybe they're thinking about coming next year.
Yeah.
And by
I
the
hope
way,
so.
I understand it'll be in San Francisco next year,
Yes.
at Moscone. Why should they come to next year's Think?
It's a journey, right? So basically, if you look at each and every year, it's a progression of where we are going. So last year we started, like a few years ago, we said public cloud, then hybrid cloud, and this year we are thinking about the management of the system. The private cloud is going to make the difference. So what we can do the next year and try to understand where we are with respect to the private cloud, where we are with respect to making it real in the customers. I think that is what I'm looking forward to myself saying, right? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yep.
I don't disagree with you at all. Well, thank you for being our guest here.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for
Not
your
a
time.
problem. Keep up the
Nice
great
one.
work.
Thank
And
you.
we'll check in. Maybe we'll see you in San Francisco next year.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Looking forward to it.
This is Alan Shimel, DevOps.com, DevOps TV, and we are here at Think 2018. Have a great day, everyone.